Hey guys, Disney Collector here with this Play-Doh playset called Puppies. Here's parts for the puppy. Red, brown, another brown and white Play-Doh. More parts. And this is our puppy's head. With this puppy's playset, we can make 12 different modes. 2 are under the puppy's bed, 1 under the bowl of food. We even have modes underneath this puppy. We can also grow his hair and tongue. So let's start molding. This is to grow his hair. Look at all this hair growing. Wow! We can make it even bigger. Now pay attention, his tongue is coming out. Now that's a big one. This puppy needs a little grooming. You should always wipe your paws. One and 2. Let's see what we have here. A fire hydrant. A teddy bear. To make the little treat, we're gonna mix just a little bit of brown in the white. Our little treat looks perfect. Good doggy. Well, it's time to make the puppies. One, 2, and 3 puppies. Let's also make the little bowl of food. Now we're gonna give our puppies eyes and some spots. let's make some other treats, like bacon and sausage. One more treat. Nice big steak. I'd say our tiny little puppies need a blankie. Now that's nice and cozy. Now we're gonna make him some kibble. And we're gonna use this nice little tool. Whoa, with this tool we can make him lots of food. Look at that.
If you feel like you need a checkup, of course I'll give you one.
Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Play-Doh right here on Disney Collector.